to back bonuses. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another day, another Valley Slots video. It's Lucky Link Thursday. We're going Kung Fu Master. Guys, we got 300 in the machine. Playing 5 lines. Playing dollars today. $5 a spin. Need 6 of those orbs right there. Mr. Miyagi there is wild. And that's our bonus symbol, is the yellow ninja. So we need 3 of him to start the free games. And in the free games, the reels 1, 2, and 4, 5 are locked. So they stay, or they match each other. So kind of a cool free games. I like that free games. We're only playing $5, guys. We're only playing 5 lines. So it's harder to get a line hit, but they pay more when you get them. The moment not going well. But the mini is $250, minor is $12.50 at this level. That minor is a jackpot hand pay. So that's kind of what tempted us into the dollars. So that's our wild. Okay, $14. We need those ninjas or those. Whew. Maybe at 2 we'll change denominations. Or keep it going for a little while, or not. Got our bet back for bamboo. Yes. See, just like I said, don't change our denomination. We need a mini or a minor to drop. If that minor drops, it's a hand pay. Save it. Oh. Not bad. It was a bonus. Could have dropped a mini or minor for us, but it didn't. Oh, back to back bonuses. Thank you, Kung Fu Master. Well, that's a $50 ball in there. Oh, drop a word. Drop a word. Okay, we're 0 for 5 getting one. Thank you. Woo. Okay. Drop a word. Get something. Okay. Nothing huge, but I love them. All right. Boom, 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 boom. We won $105. Boom. All right. So now, if the pattern holds, we should see a bonus right here. Oh, boo! You broke the pattern. I wanted 3 in a row.
I know. Maybe in just a little bit.
Okay, just in a little bit. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, hard to argue right now doing anything. Orbs seem to be showing up here.
Yeah.
Now let's get those free games. So 3 of those yellow ninjas right there with the cool stick. Yeah, look at him. Look at him fighting that bamboo to his right. Two more. Oh, those are big.
Yeah.
Oh, those are big. 2 more. one more. There he was. Dang it. Okay, 9s for $7. We're good. Oh, Fists of Fury for nothing. Okay, I really want to see these free games. I mean, I'll take more orbs though. I mean, I'm not going to complain. Remember, guys, this is Lucky Link Thursday. Play Lightning Link, Dragon Link. Should we switch up denominations? What do you think?
Maybe, or should we go down to 250 and switch? Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, no, we're staying. We all saw that, right? That wasn't just in a dream.
That was beautiful.
That had such a loud thwack. That was $1,000 ball. That would have been, that would have been really close to our first ever jackpot hand pay.
Yeah.
Oh, that would have been magical. Two more. Oh, need those free spins. Or orbs. I mean, I'll take either. I'll take either. I'm not...
I don't really want to change off this.
I know, but... we don't have to. We can stay. I got a good feeling about dimes.
Oh, okay. I was going to say I have a good feeling about staying.
Okay, then we'll stay. I trust you. We'll stay.
I don't know if you should trust me.
We'll stay. We'll stay.
How about we'll stay to 200?
Okay. Okay. And it's given us 2 already. Can it give us more? Three more. Oh, they went by. Oh, that really does look nice. I like that you already said, oh. Like the first 2 land, you're like, oh, that looks nice. We could have got it. Oh, hold on.
Oh,
Okay,
sorry.
never mind. It was 500, trust me. We all saw it. All my friends saw it.
Do we switch?
Yeah, let's switch.
Okay.
Okay, so games menu, let's go dimes. Let's go 100 dimes.
That's aggressive for you.
Oh, wait, whoa. Okay, yeah, nope, you did the math wrong. 50 dimes.
All right.
Son of a gun. Son of a gun. I was like, why is that aggressive for me? It's $5. Son. Okay. You know what, guys? Dang it. Dang it. Okay. Still not as aggressive as a $48 bet that somebody made. I'm not gonna tell you who, but she's right there.
Oops.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So now we're back up to 50 lines. 2 more. So these are dimes. That's $10, $5, $5. So 50 lines. Still need 6 of those orbs or 3 of those guys for the free spins. Come on. Come on. Maybe I'm not liking dimes.
Okay. Switch it up again?
Sure.
What do you think?
Let's try nickels.
Okay. Let's do
100 nickels. That's what I was trying to do. That's what the math.
Okay.
That was my math previously. 100 nickels. Apparently, I don't know the difference between dimes and
Ooh,
nickels.
that's a lot of
Triple
words.
mini. It's $150. $150. You. spins at? I don't even think we've gotten 2 with a chance. We haven't had a chance at a 3rd. Dang you. Sounded so good. Guys, we're getting down to it. This is the scary zone. This is the scary zone. He went by twice. I saw you. I saw him. I saw him. Guys, our neighbor got the bonus. That's fun. I want the bonus though.
Ooh, words.
Another double mini. That would have been 100. Alright guys, 10 spins left. Can we get a bonus? We've seen 2. I want 3. Two more. Sounded good to start.
It did.
Sounded real good to start. Guys, 5 spins. Guys, can we find it for Lucky Link Thursday? 1 more bonus. Please? Please? Is that enough? It was just enough. 1
Just enough.
more spin. Heck yeah, we're gonna do that. Press bolt. Lucky bolt. No. Wah, wah, wah. Alright guys, this was Lucky Link Thursday, little Kung Fu Masters. Got to see 2 nice orb bonuses. Not huge in the bonus, but hey, we gotta see them, and that's the fun of it, right? Hit that like, hit that subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow, guys.